Hello everyone. Do you want to streamline your Instagram management? In this video, I will guide you through the using of Hootsuite for your Instagram in 2023. You will learn how to schedule and publish posts, engage with your audience, and monitor hashtags and analyze your Instagram performance. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So here we go, guys. So now basically for Instagram to actually start sharing stuff on Instagram, you have to connect your account through Facebook. So for me, I have that problem somehow that my Facebook isn't allowing me to do so. Let me just try this once more. Add, for example, add, and yeah, let's click on done. Let's click on add even this one. On, let's remove these three. Okay, let's keep them, and let's click on done. Now after I added my accounts, we have to add payment method, etc. I'm not gonna actually do it. And here we go. So now I have added some Facebook accounts, and this is the limit. So we have up to 7 or 6 accounts, I mean. So here, as you can see, I can now start sharing through Instagram using Facebook. So let's click on this button, which is on the left side of the menu, and click on post, and it will depend on what you have. So here it can be posts, pen, Google views, etc. YouTube video. So for me, I will click on post. Here I'm going to choose create your content place to create on Instagram stories. So select an Instagram account and then choose story. So for now I'm going to choose, for example, here content. So hello everyone, and here you have to choose your account. So I'm going to choose this Twitter, and I can choose even my Instagram account, but unfortunately I can't really use my Instagram account because somehow my account doesn't allow me to, as you can see here. But I will use this Facebook account as an example, and it is the same thing for Instagram, guys, so you don't really have to worry about it. You can just leave it like that so you can see how it's gonna look like. Here, hello everyone, you can click here and add an image. So click here and let's add this image, and it will show you how it's gonna look like as well. You can here add tag any one of your friends. So let me just tag Elon Musk, and they are actually going to show you that there is Elon Musk over here. So Elon Musk, and here we go. We have tagged Elon Musk in our account. Here I'm going to write but like that. Hello everyone. For example, you can do whatever you'd like. Here, let's write some emojis. So here we go, emojis, and they are going to actually show you the emoji that has been related to Instagram or any other platform that you are using at the moment. So let's use the smile, and then you can design with Canva if you like, make add more pictures and add location. So depending on your own platform that you are using. Here we can add hashtags. So hashtag, for example, Elon Musk, so the most popular ones in the platform at the moment. And then we can just add all the hashtags, and then we can choose to post now, schedule for later, or save draft. So let's post it now. As you can see, your post has been sent, and now let's go to our Twitter account. Here we go, Twitter, and if I click on my account, here it is. Hello everyone, Elon Musk, and so many tags about Elon Musk. So this is a way on how you can actually have it working for your social media. Now I've tried it on Twitter since my Instagram account has been not allowing me to do it. But overall, guys, this is how you can do it. This is how it works. And yeah, I hope you really learn something from this video. If you want to add more accounts, you can click here and simply add your accounts. And unfortunately, guys, if your account is private, this will not be actually available for you. And for those who has the free trial, guys, do not forget your card will be shot for $1,000 by the end of the month. So make sure to remove it before you get to that point, and you will be losing money. So guys, this is just like a side note, so you can understand more about Hotsuite and how to add an Instagram account. So here, as you can see, to add an Instagram account, you have to have a business accounts. So here an article talking about it with details. So to enable full Instagram functionality in Hootsuite, make sure you have the following: an Instagram business profile connected to a Facebook page. So you shouldn't have a Facebook like profile. It must be a Facebook page and an Instagram business account linked to that Facebook page. So in case you were just going to like post on your profile, well, Hootsuite will not do the job for you. And I will show you some alternative right away after I show you and complete this article. So here, if you still have a personal profile, see this, convert an Instagram personal profile to a business profile. And if you already have a business profile, see connect an Instagram account to a Facebook page. Here, after that, make sure to give the right permissions. See the Facebook help article, and you must give them like Facebook page classic. You will need an admin or editor page role, so you can give the permissions. New Facebook pages experience, so you need full or partial control. Assets in Facebook Business Manager, you need management access to the page in the Business Manager account. So if you didn't have the Facebook Business Manager account, you will not really be able to create or add your Instagram account to Hotsuite. So there is bunch of conditions that are complicating the stuff over here, as you can see, and this is how it looks. So once you try to connect in a separate browser tab or window, log out of Instagram and Facebook, and then in Hotsuite go to my profile and then select manage account and teams. Third thing, professional plan select private account, team business and enterprise plan select manage beside your organization name, and then select add a social network. Then select Instagram business, select log in to Facebook. As you can see, this is how it's gonna be. So you have to click on this button and then enter your Facebook account credentials and then select login. Select add beside the Instagram business profiles you want to add to Hotsuite and then select done. And if you have any trouble checkout, make sure to go to this troubleshoot issues added on Instagram business profile so you can contact their support and they might help you out. And guys, now for the alternative. Plannable is a very good alternative for Hotsuite. As you can see, the actual page of Hotsuite, this is how it looks like, and this is like basically Hotsuite, and this is Plannable. So these are like the difference. So Plannable is much better looking, as you can see. It is much better. It seems to have multiple kind of social media, and like Hotsuite, which is really limited. Here it is free. It has so many kind of advantages that Hotsuite. It doesn't make like these hard conditions for you to actually post a post on Instagram using this platform. So it is a very good, very simple, and this is like the platform that it supports. It supports LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, and Pinterest. And this Google, I think Google Store or Google App Store. And of course, there is the ability to ask to add more apps to the plan. So as you can see, this plan here it is. You can either try it or buy it. Like it is very good, and this is like the difference between them and between Hotsuite. So these are the apps that you might find on Hotsuite, and this is the apps that you have on Plannable. So it is a really good alternative in case you'd like it. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Leave your comments, your opinions about this video, about this platform specifically. If you have any questions or doubts about it, I will make sure to answer all of your questions by one by one, and see you guys in the next tutorial.